downy woodpecker is on what's left of our ball. Really going after it. Trying to get, yeah, now he's turning so we can see his red head. Very good. During a snowstorm, the birds at our feeder have been doing an incredible job trying to keep things clean and fighting each other. They are busy, 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 coming out of nowhere, waving each other off, getting a peck in here and there. Every now and then they have a confrontation as they buzz each other. As you can see just there, it's amazing how they decide who gets what. But they all sure want to get their fill as this storm seems to intensify. And even though they've walked away from, gotten a lot of snow off the area right by the little seed house, they sure have not been able to keep the balustrades clean. And they're just landing in that and walking in the snow. It's really interesting to see. Just lots and lots of activity, as you can see here. Quite amazing. Each one trying to find a perch. I'll zoom in a little bit. Juncos and finches. Everybody wants something. When this started today, there was no snow on the railing at all. Just within a couple of hours, there's been this, what looks like 3 inches. Oh, he took her out. Now this side's clear, yeah, he's taking advantage of it. Oh, there's the bright red finch.
Should I not come?
You can come.
Huh?
You can come.
Okay. Yeah, I counted 12 birds right there.
I know, they are really
after it.
After it and protecting it and keeping it clean. Yeah.
It's just been wild.
It really has been.
Incredible research. In fact, I've got to get a jacket. I'm cold.
Two finches now. Okay, that gives you a flavor for what Janet is now going to count how many birds she sees.
They're coming in like crazy. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the bushes, 1 down at the bottom, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the feeder, 9, 10, 11 on the ball, another one on the ground, 12, another one flew up and chased one away, 13. This is the most aggressive group of birds we've ever had here in this storm. Oh, look at them, just keep coming in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
And we were wondering, is it a migration pattern, or is it because we had the seed ball up that they now think that this is home combined with our feeder? It really seems to be a new phenomenon in our experience.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even during our storms.
Bye. Oh, amazing.